Evening guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to show this homemade parking sensor tool that I put together about a year and a half ago. So I'll just describe what it is. So there's a receiver on the end. It was just a cheap receiver kit that I bought from eBay. It's a couple of pounds I believe, from memory. This is obviously just a pen shaft or carcass from a pen, and then some banana jack connectors on the end so I can connect it to my scope. So I'm going to be using the 2000 series scope, that one there. It's pretty good for what it is and the cost. It's more than capable for this job. So in theory what I want to do is connect, I think it best polarity goes like that. I want to connect it into my scope, and then what we want to do is you want to activate the parking sensors, put this against the parking sensor like that, and it picks up the frequency on this kind of receiver here and puts it onto the scope screen. So what I'll do is, first of all I'll put the ignition on, activate the parking sensors, flick it back on again, sit in reverse. You can see I've got my graph on display. Hope you can see that wee bit of glare there. And then what I'll do is I'll put the recording software on, because it's maybe going to be better to see it with the software recording on screen. It's quite bright outside. So press record. It should be recording, and also I'll press play on the scope. So if you bear with me, I'll walk outside with the equipment, I'll get down to the sensor and then we can see what we can pick up. Okay, so we've got the scope running, we've got the tool here, so we're up against the sensor on the car. You can just see, put that up against the sensor there like that. I can see from here that we're getting a signal, it's picking it up, rolling across the screen. So what we'll do is I'll take the tablet, I'll pause it, we'll take the tablet back into the car and we'll zoom in on them and see what kind of image we get. So just pause it, hopefully it should stop. It's not. So let me see. I think that's it, stop now. Yeah. So I'll put the ignition off. And that's the best way to do this. So back through the buffer, you can see them all lined up against each other, and we'll just zoom that in, select the magnifying glass, drag that, minimise that, and we'll go for this one. You can see that we have a decent enough signal, quite similar to the one that we see on the Pico tool. So just come out of that, I'll just crop a few. That one, and we can see our signal there again. So as you can see, we have the tool works fairly well. So you know, as a cheap tool, probably got a better signal with the Pico one, but for the sake of a couple of pounds I thought it was a good tool. So that's just really what I wanted to show. So thanks for visiting the channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.